While I remember what I want to say, let me do this tutorial basically. So the content creator or generator that I just made, it is absolutely insane. You have to, one of the things that you need to remember is that you need to train the model. So you need to find 5 different templates or 5 different type of photo posts that you like to train the model how to design that photo. Remember that the model uses GPT to generate the image. So for each of these templates, if you find more than one example, for me I used about 8 examples per template for it to get it perfectly right. So find 8 different examples for each template. You don't really need more than 5-6 different templates for a post. In the case of a skincare brand, you maybe want a person holding the product as one template. 2, you're going to need an infographic showing different elements or qualities that the product can do. So it's good for eyesore, it's good for maybe the 3rd one, you need a bold headline at the bottom, faded into a photo. Good for hyperpigmentation, and then the picture of hyperpigmentation in the back. That's for photo posts, right? For videos, the prompt that you train it on the back end, you'll understand once you go through the tutorial on how to set up the content generator. I wouldn't suggest you use text for the videos. I haven't tested it yet. I have only tested video generation to generate the video itself of someone doing something, you know what I mean? And it works perfectly. So for the model, I suggest, in collaboration with the content generator, you use CapCut or something to edit the videos, put text on the videos if you need. And that's all. Literally, that's all. You have the content generator perfectly, but just remember that you need to train it. Training it to build mine, it took me 2 weeks. Doing it for the first time, so expect it to take you 2 weeks. But after you build it, that's it. You do not need all it is just improving the model, and that's it. Lastly, the video that I'm going to send you that shows you how to build it using Visual Studio Code. You're going to need Visual Studio Code, which is free, and the program, or basically it's the website, the generator. It looks like a website, but the program is hosted. You can host it locally, but you're going to need Visual Studio Code. You're going to need a Claude extension inside of Visual Studio Code. The video that I'm going to send you to help you to build it alongside my guide, it's of a person that is trying to promote her product, and her product generates videos with text on it and everything. I tried her product. It didn't work that well for me. It didn't bring me good results. That's why I just quit it and I used the API. All of this will start making sense once you go through the tutorial. I used the API for Google AI Studio to create my videos, the API on the back end, and I used the API for ChatGPT to create the images, right? I set up to get captions. I set it up where it prints my voice first, but just because I wanted a little bit more control. It gives my voice at the beginning of every prompt, and I take the prompt and put it into Claude, and I get the caption for Instagram and the caption for LinkedIn. So I tell Claude, write me caption for LinkedIn and Instagram using this prompt, because the content machine generates the prompt. So that's all you need to know. Have fun building. Tell me the experience you have. And I hope it helps. Because I realize one of the biggest struggles of small business owners is generating content. Especially if they don't have UGC creators. They don't have the money to pay these influencers that are asking for 15 grand for one video, if it's even that low. Have fun building. Let me know how you get through. Peace.